On this day, May 3rd, 1928, BMW, a company previously known for building aircraft engines and motorcycles, took a bold leap into the future. On this day, Bayerische Motorenwerke AG officially entered the world of automobile manufacturing by acquiring the Fahrzeugfabrik Eisenach in Thuringia, Germany. Before this point, BMW had no experience building cars, but the German economy after World War I was unstable, and the demand for aircraft engines had dropped sharply due to restrictions from the Treaty of Versailles. BMW needed a new direction, and the booming automobile market offered a promising opportunity. The acquisition gave BMW the rights to a small but practical vehicle, the Dixi 315, which itself was a licensed version of the British Austin 7. It was compact, affordable, and fuel-efficient, exactly what post-war Germany needed. BMW didn't redesign the car immediately. Instead, they rebranded it as the BMW 3/15P SDA2 and began production under their own name. This unassuming little car would mark the beginning of one of the world's most iconic automobile brands. The factory in Eisenach was a key part of the plan. It had the capacity and workforce already in place, allowing BMW to quickly ramp up production. The Dixi had been relatively successful before the takeover, but BMW brought a new level of marketing and engineering ambition. Over the following years, BMW improved the 315's design, added their own touches, and slowly transitioned from building licensed models to producing original German-engineered vehicles. By the 1930s, BMW had developed its own line of cars and was already making a name for itself in motorsports and engineering innovation. One interesting detail, the original Dixi badge continued to appear on early BMW cars for a short time after the takeover, a small nod to its origin, even as the company moved toward building a new identity. From these humble beginnings, a borrowed British design and a modest factory in Eisenach, BMW evolved into a global symbol of performance, design, and engineering excellence. It all began on this day. Subscribe for more history every day.